வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 6 டேர்ம் 3 யூனிட் 1 பார்ட் 2 about Europe. In the part 1 video, we have discussed about Asia. The link of part 1 video will be given in the description. In this part 2 video, we are going to discuss about Europe, its location, extent, political divisions, physical features, drainage, climate, natural vegetation, its economic activities, and the cultural mosaic of Europe with the help of the map. Europe is the 6th largest continent in size and the 3rd largest in population in the world. It has diverse landforms and people. It is the birthplace of Western civilizations like Roman and Greek democracy and Industrial Revolution. It is the most developed continent in the world. Location and size. Europe spreads from 34 degree 51 minutes north latitude to 81 degree 47 minutes north latitude and from 24 degree 33 minutes west longitude to 69 degree 03 minutes east longitude. The prime meridian 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich in England. Europe is found in the northern hemisphere and it covers an area of 10.5 million square kilometer. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea in the south, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Ural Mountains in the east. So it looks like a giant peninsula. European Union. The European Union EU is an economic and political union of 28 member countries for their welfare. It has own flag and the common currency, the euro. Do you know the Netherlands? About 25% of the Netherlands lies below sea level. So they have built dikes. Dike எனப்படும் பெருஞ்சுவர்களை எழுப்பியுள்ளனர். They have reclaimed, that is recovered, new land from the sea with the help of dikes. These reclaimed lands are called polders. இந்த டைக்குகளினால் கடலில் இருந்து நிலத்தை மீட்டெடுத்துள்ளனர். Now let us see about the physical divisions of Europe. Europe has diversified physical features such as mountains, plains, plateaus, peninsulas, bays, islands, and river basins. It can be divided into 4 physical divisions. Number 1, Northwestern Islands. Number 2, the Central Plateaus. Number 3, the Alpine Mountain System. Number 4, the North European Plain. First one, Northwestern Islands. This region includes the mountains and plateaus of Norway, Sweden, Finland, Scotland, and Iceland. This region has the most beautiful fjord coast. It was created by the glaciations in the past. இங்கு அழகிய பிளவுபட்ட கடற்கரை உள்ளது. இக்கடற்கரைகள் கடந்த காலங்களில் நடைபெற்ற பனியாறுகளினால் உருவானவை. This region has a lot of lakes which serve as reservoirs, that is place to store water for producing hydroelectricity. Norway and Sweden are the largest producers of hydroelectricity in the world. Do you know fjord is a narrow and deep sea inlet between steep cliffs? செங்குத்தான பாறைகளுக்கிடையே உள்ள குறுகிய அழகான பிளவுபட்ட கடற்கரை. Helps in the following ways. It reduces the speed of wind irrespective of its direction. The force of sea waves are also controlled. Hence, areas with fjord are best suited for natural harbors. Second one, the Central Plateaus. The plateaus are found in east-west direction across Central Europe. Many rivers in Europe, such as the Danube, the Volga, and the Tagus, originate from this plateau. The important plateaus are the Pennines in England, the Meseta in Spain, the Central Massif and Jura in France. The Black Forest in Germany has rich mineral resources. The Pennines is called the backbone of England. Do you know Black Forest? The lush, pasumayana, and dark colored fig, attimaram, and pine trees give black color to this region. Third one, the Alpine mountain system. The Alpine mountain system consists of a chain of young-fold mountains found in the southern part of Europe. The important mountain ranges are the Sierra Nevada, the Pyrenees, the Alps, the Apennines, the Dinaric Alps, the Caucasus, and the Carpathian. The Pyrenees forms a natural boundary between Spain and France. The highest peak in Europe is Mount Elbrus, 5,645 meter in the Caucasus range. The Mount Blanc, 4,807 meter found in the Alps, is the second highest peak in the Alpine system. Several active volcanoes are found in Alpine mountain system. Mount Etna, Mount Vesuvius, and Mount Stromboli are the volcanoes found in Europe. Earthquakes are common in this region. The Stromboli is called the lighthouse of the Mediterranean. Do you know the Matterhorn? The pyramid-shaped Matterhorn mountain is located in the Swiss Alps at a height of 4,478 meters. It is popular for its shape. Fourth one, the North European Plain. The North European Plain stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Ural Mountains in the east. On the north, it is surrounded by Baltic Sea, and on the south by Alpine Mountain. It is narrow in the west and wide towards the east. Major European rivers such as Seine, the Rhine, the Danube, and the Don crisscross. Crisscross means kurukkum nedukkumaga this region and deposit their alluvium. Plains like Andalusian Plain, the Hungarian Plain, and the Wallachian Plains are also found in this region. So this region has rich deposits of coal, nilakari, and iron ore, irumbuthadu. So this area is densely populated region and cities like Paris, Moscow, and Berlin are located here. Let us see about the drainage. Vadigal அமைப்பு. The rivers play an important role in the development of Europe. These rivers are used to irrigate நீர்ப்பாசனம், farmland, and also help to produce electricity. Most of the rivers originate in the Alps and the central plateau of Europe. These rivers are used for inland navigation, உள்நாட்டு நீர் போக்குவரத்து, in central and eastern Europe. The Volga is the longest river in Europe. The river Danube passes through 10 countries in Europe. Let us see some of the important rivers in Europe. Volga, Danube, Dnieper, Rhine, Rhone, Po, Thames. Now let us see about the climate of Europe. The climate of Europe varies from the subtropical to the polar climate. The Mediterranean climate of the south has warm summer and rainy winter. The western and northwestern parts have a mild, generally humid means ஈரப்பதம் climate influenced by the North Atlantic drift. In central and eastern Europe, the climate is humid continental type. In the northeast, subarctic and tundra climates are found. The whole of Europe is subject to the moderating influence of prevailing westerly winds from the Atlantic Ocean. Climate divider. The Alps mountains separates the Mediterranean climate from the cold climate of the north. North Atlantic drift is a warm ocean current, வெப்பக்கடல் நீரோட்டம், which brings warmth to the western Europe. The westerly wind further transports warmth across Europe. Natural vegetation, இயற்கை தாவரங்கள். The natural vegetation of Europe can be classified as number 1 tundra, number 2 taiga or coniferous means ஊசிலை காடுகள், number 3 mixed forest, number 4 Mediterranean forest, number 5 grassland. The Arctic and northern Scandinavian island have tundra type of vegetation made up of lichens and mosses. Mosses means பாசி வகைகள். Coniferous or taiga vegetations are found to the south of the tundra region in Norway, Sweden, Finland, Germany, Poland, and Austria. So trees like pine, fir, spruces, and larch are found in the taiga forest. So in mixed forest, we can see the trees like birch, beech, poplar, oak, and maple are found in the western part of the Europe, particularly in western France, Belgium, Denmark, Britain, etc. In Mediterranean forest, trees like cypress, cork, oak, olive, and cedar are found along the borders of the Mediterranean Sea. Eastern Europe is covered by grasslands called steppe. Now let us look into the resource base and economic activities of Europe. Availability of resources, efficient educated workforce, research, contact with other nations and innovations Pudimai have transformed Europe into a modern and economically developed continent in the world. Europe is an industrially developed continent in the world. It has great diversity, that is varieties in its topography, nila அமைப்பு, climate and soil. These interact to produce varied patterns of agricultural activities such as Mediterranean agriculture, dairy farming, mixed livestock, கால்நடை வளர்ப்பு and crop farming and horticulture. Horticulture means தோட்ட பயிர் வேளாண்மை. Wheat is the dominant crop throughout Europe. Barley, oats, sugar beet, rye, potatoes and are also some of the common crops. Corn, that is maize, is an important crop in the lower Danubian lowlands and southwestern European Russia, France and Italy. Rice in northern Italy and citrus fruits, olive trees in Spain, Sicily depend on irrigation. The northernmost countries grow few cereals, தானியங்கள், mainly oats, and concentrate on animal husbandry, கால்நடை வளர்ப்பு, especially cattle and dairying. Mixed farming and the use of well-tried crop rotations are widely practiced. Viticulture, that is grapevine, திராட்சை, is mostly practiced in Italy, France and Germany. As for industrial crops, European Russia, Ukraine and Belarus are large producers of flax means ஆளி விதை, and hemp, சணல், sugar beets, சர்க்கரை வள்ளிக்கிழங்கு, and sunflower seeds. Tobacco is grown in Belarus and is also important in Bulgaria, Italy and Macedonian Greece. European Russia, Sweden and Finland are the major producers of softwood and hardwood. Fishing is a large industry in Norway, Iceland, Russia, Denmark, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands. The Dogger Bank in North Sea is an important fishing ground in Europe. Industries. Europe produces a significant portions of the world's steel and iron ore. Shipbuilding, motor vehicle and aircraft construction are widely distributed all over Europe. Europe is also a large producer of pharmaceutical drugs. A wide range of small-scale industries, that is, those that produce non-durable goods not lasting for a long time, நிலைத்த தன்மையற்ற பொருட்கள், is found throughout Europe. Some countries have a reputation means good name for specialty goods as in the case of English, Italian and Dutch bicycles, Swedish, that is Sweden and Finnish, Finland glass, Parisian, that is Paris perfumes and fashion goods and Swiss precision instruments. Precision instruments means துல்லியமான கருவிகள். Now let us see about the cultural mosaic, கலாச்சார கலவை of Europe. Europe is the third most populous continent after Asia and Africa. The population of Europe was 742 million in 2018, which accounted for 9.73% of the world's population. The population density, மக்கள் தொகை அடர்த்தி, in Europe is 34 persons per square kilometer. High population density is often associated with the coal fields of Europe. Other populous areas are sustained by mining, சுரங்கம், manufacturing, commerce, offering large market, labor forces and productive agriculture. Monaco, Malta, San Marino and the Netherlands are the most densely populated countries. Iceland and Norway have very low density of population. Population is very low in the mountain regions, some islands, arid parts of Spain and the Arctic regions of Russia. Monaco has the highest density of population in Europe, that is 26,105 persons per square kilometer, as well as in the world. Iceland has a very low density of population, 3 persons per square kilometer. Now let us see about the religion and language. Europe is a continent of great linguistic, that is language and cultural difference. English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian and Slavic are the broadly spoken languages in Europe. Christianity is the major religion in Europe. A considerable number of Hindus, Muslims and Jews are spread throughout Europe. More than 90% of the people belong to the Caucasoid race. Art and architecture, கலை கட்டடக்கலை. European art and architecture mostly reveals the ordinary human being and is popular all over the world. Acropolis, the Colosseum, the statue of David Silai, the Thinker, Eiffel Tower, Big Ben, Pisa Tower, and Mona Lisa are some of the masterpieces of art and architecture in Europe. Food and festivals. Bread, fish, meat, potatoes, and dairy products are the staple food முக்கிய உணவு in Europe. The Europeans celebrate both religious and holiday festivals. Christmas, Easter, Good Friday, the Saint Day, Redemptor, Tomatina, and Carnival are the important festivals of Europe. They play rugby, football, basketball, ice hockey, and skiing. Skiing means panicharukku. Bullfighting in Spain is the world's attractive game. Now let us have a comparison of Asia and Europe. Asia and Europe are integrated geographically and separated politically. Europe is the giant peninsula of Asia. Both the Himalayas in Asia and the Alps in Europe were formed during the same geological period. The steppe grassland and coniferous forest are spread over several hundred kilometers from Europe to Asia. Generally, the plains are found in the northern part and the mountains in the southern part in both the continents. The two continents are the homeland of ancient civilizations. From the ancient period, these two continents had trade relationship through the Silk Route and the Spice Route. Despite the various geographical similarities, these two continents have striking difference. Now let us see the difference between Asia and Europe. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Europe is the smallest continent. Asia is located on the eastern hemisphere, whereas Europe is located at the center of the earth. Some of the important peninsulas in Asia are the Arabian, Indochina, India, and Korea. And some of the important peninsulas in Europe are Scandinavian, Iberian, Italian, and Balkan. The important parallels such as equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle passes through Asia. Only the Arctic Circle passes through Europe. In Asia, hot and cold deserts are located, but in Europe there are no deserts. Asia has a variety of mineral deposits, but in Europe the mineral resources are limited except for coal and iron. A majority of people in Asia are involved in primary activities, but in Europe, majority of people are involved in secondary and tertiary activities. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.